Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, this next video is top 5 exercises for lower back pain. Now, a lot of clients that I see, as a parent, as a grandparent, we neglect our health and fitness as we get older because obviously we have kids, we have mortgage, we have stresses, and we sort of tend to sort of put our health and fitness on the back burner with everything else that goes on in our life. So a lot of clients that I see, especially when they get to 40, 50, 60, sometimes 70 years old, their lower back pains are really shot, especially if you're working in a corporate setting as well, which really kills the back, ruins the hips, ruins the knees, everything else. Obviously that comes with an office job. But these are my top 5 exercises for lower back pain to really help you in your fitness, to keep you going with obviously what I'm all about with the longevity and keep you moving forward. Now, the top 5 exercises for lower back pain. Number 1 is the cat-cow. Cat-cow really is to help loosen and elongate the spine, but also it's very important. It's probably the number 1 exercise that a lot of people do. And I'll show you in a second is how to do it properly. Now, how you do this properly is hands on all floors, knees, hands and knees. You want to press your hands into the floor so your shoulders are activated, pressing your knees are on the ground firmly. And then what you want to do is you want to pelvic tilt your pelvis. So as what that means is you're going to tuck your stomach in, tuck your core in, and as you're doing this, you want to raise your back as high as you can, having your body as a little arch, and then you go down, and as you look up, you stretch and you feel everything part of your back really stretching, and as you tilt again, turning, pushing through, and then come through again. You want to do that 10 to 15 times, 3 rounds. Okay, the next exercise, so first one was cat-cow. Second one is called the bird dog. So what that is a similar start to the cat-cow. You want to press your hands on the floor, knees on the ground. Now, you want to try opposite hand to opposite foot. What does that mean? I want you to raise your right hand in the air, but as you're raising your right hand, you're bringing your left leg up, squeezing your glutes as hard as you can, your bum cheeks. You want to squeeze them, so you want to fire them. Fire and wire, as we like to call it in the fitness world. You want to squeeze and tightly. Again, with this one, you're going to go opposite. So right leg, squeezing the glute, and then your left hand raises as high as you can. Really squeeze your shoulders, really reach for the stars. You want to really squeeze the body at the end point of this exercise to really fire those muscles really up, and that's going to really help you again loosen up your back to get you ready for your workout. Okay, the next exercise is, it's not so much an exercise, it's a stretch. It's a glute stretch or a pigeon stretch in the yoga world, if you know what a pigeon stretch is. The reason why I love doing this with lower back pain, it really helps to loosen the glutes. A lot of people that have lower back pain, it's usually with weakness in the glutes, but also tightness in the glutes. A muscle can be weak and tight at the same time, so you just got to figure out what that is. And this stretch is to really loosen up your body as you're getting into your workouts. So this one is basically, you want to get one leg, you want to bend the leg, the front leg, make it into an L shape. So you want to put your knees to the ground, leg to the ground. The back leg is straight. And as what you're doing is, you want to try and sit your bum to the ground, and then you really feel the stretch down here through your glutes, maybe a little bit of your back, but also hamstring as well. But it's to really fire and really help stretch those glutes out and really help to loosen the lower back so your back's not straining as much. So you're holding for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then as you get out, slowly get out, back to the other leg. You come forward, bend your knee, come back, sit into the stretch and really feel it. If you're not feeling it, you're not sitting back further enough. So that's the precaution. Really feel it, sit into it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then change your legs. Slowly come out, back to normal. 3 sets, 15 seconds on each side, and there you go. Okay, so the next exercise is the good old classic glute bridge. We've had cat-cow, bird dog, glute stretch, and now a glute bridge. Glute bridge is the OG, it's the oldest exercise, it's the original exercise for lower back pain, but also again, done correctly, it's amazing warm up for your lower back to get you into a workout so you don't hurt yourself or injure yourself. So how we do it is, you want to lay on the ground. You're laying flat, firmly on the ground, like this. And what I tell clients is you want to bring your leg up, feet up, sorry, towards your bum. Now you want to keep your legs firmly on the ground. Now I like to have the knees a little bit apart. It really fires and wires the glutes up as much as you can by spreading them so that they really turn on. So what I say again is to lift your hips to the ceiling, and as you're lifting your hips to the ceiling, squeeze your bum cheeks as hard as you can to really fire the glutes up. And then you go back down, relax, take a second break, and then you come up, squeeze, hold 2 to 3 seconds, and then back down again. Now you want to do that for 3 sets, 15 reps as the next exercise in our warm-up. So as you come up, squeeze, hold, back down again. Last on our exercise, of course, is the Jefferson Curl, as I said. So Jefferson Curl, how do we do it? Grab a kettlebell, grab a bench, you step up onto the bench, and as you do this, you want to, first things first is stand up straight, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, try and relax every body part in your body. You're trying to relax. The second part is to tuck the chin in, and as you're tucking in, you want to fall forward, roll your spine up as much as you can. Similar movement to the cat-cow with the spine. You want to go as low as you can until you can't go anymore. Hold that position. Now you're probably holding it for about 10, 15, 20 seconds. When that comes, you come up very slowly, and then take a deep breath in again, and then we go back down again. Done really slowly, properly. Keep breathing. You want to hold at the end, and as you're holding, you keep breathing. You come up very slowly, get to the top, deep breath, and you're done. You want to do that 3 sets, with 10 reps. So 10 times you've gone up and down very slowly. That's probably a very advanced exercise, especially with generally how far where your back injury is or soreness is. You want to sort of wait until the end for that movement. Okay guys, and now that was my top 5 exercises for lower back pain. Now, a little bit of 3 precautions that I like to say. Perform each exercise really slowly. It's very important that you do it very slowly so you don't hurt yourself, but also it needs to be done properly. And most exercises, especially in the prehab stage, you want to be doing it very slowly. Second part is if you did feel pain during those exercises at any part, stop. And then the third thing is consult further. So consult a physical therapist, any sort of allied health to help you build a program to get you going. And of course, if you love that video and you got so much out of it, please hit that like and subscribe button and share the love. Thank you.